Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. We are going where? To the picnic spot. Today is what? Today is a barbecue day. I just hope it doesn't rain because we have a lot of plans to do. Here we go. You wanna race? Come on. Nobody can race with my SUV turbo. Is it? It's been a long time that we actually went for barbecue. Today is a good day to barbecue, though it is just cloudy, smoky everywhere. But still, if it doesn't rain, it's a good weather day. There we go straight. "56 seconds to wait." You just want to go to Canada. How can you try? Fire still not ready.
I failed.
You failed the test?
My exam.
Really?
Congratulations.
Oh, congratulations! Yeah, you're not going to Canada.
They will try again.
Yes, I will try again.
We are still trying to burn fire unsuccessfully because... Okay, you need wind. Wait, I bring the quad. It's coming. You need wind. It's coming. Adds up some 2 plus. Lots of wind. How much wind you want? There you go. Check that out. Oh, it's burning. Yeah, yeah, the fire is burning. Really nice. See? Oh yeah, baby.
哇，这个好哎。
就是好 ，nice。
Nice.
我那边可以。看来你们哪里找？
Fire is ready now.
往上。
If you need more wind, let me know.
平台
我
随便拿两，随便
我就
拿。
是找一些剪。
有没有人打电话问的？一个都没有吗？
我是看那个
Harry,
剪辑库。
come you fly it. Come on.
我邻居啊，他
You can see and fly. Go forward. Irish is flying quadcopter. Go forward, not high. Go forward.
Hey,
A little higher, otherwise you will hit the place, hit the trees and something. Watch the view and fly. Look at my baby. He's flying. He's flying a Hudson 2 plus quadcopter. I tell you what to do, Irish. Leave the quad. See there, mountain? Go above that mountain. So turn your quad to that. You can see mountain and go straight. Don't use full speed. A little bit, not too much. Yes, otherwise you cannot do aerial film nicely. Let's see how the fire is going on.
小畅，你们的屁股怎么啦？
Oh, you dropped the chicken. No problem, we can cook it.
看到
I think we need to put more coal in it.
这个是
How is Kiddu's quadcopter flying? Flying very well? Barbecue is ready. I'm coming. Barbecue is ready. I'm coming. Oh, you dropped the bottle. Oh, why did you burn fire here?
so we can
So we can set the whole area on fire? Look at that. That's dry stuff. So our Bangladeshi friends, Pinky and Jamil, they are showing their expertise for barbecuing. I have to put the camera down and start eating right away.
我的，
So I'm just gonna put the camera down.
我的，
How was your test? I heard you failed it again. When are you going to Canada?
After I pass the IELTS test, I will go to Canada if I can.
And when do you think you will pass the IELTS test?
I don't know. Maybe one day in the future.
By the time you pass the IELTS test, look at Xiaofeng, your husband, his hair are getting white already. We will be like this. Oh.
No. No.
By the
Things
time you
will
go
not
to
happen
Canada,
like
we will be
that.
like this.
No.
Hey, when are you going to get a baby?
Maybe next year.
year.
Are you working on it?
I want to eat.
Maybe the working, but next year.
So you didn't order the right parts, right? Oh, look, what kind of wood is this?
How can the work?
What kind of wood is this? Be careful, don't let this fire go there because otherwise we won't be able to, control it.
Hadi.
All right, for me, it's time to eat.
我觉得真的还要一个补助，这样子好慢的。
I make fire! You douse my fire with paper.
Come on, baby.
Okay, I'm coming.